if I can get a repair on my HDMI. It's kind of like I try to plug it in and you know how it gets wobbly sometimes on the PS5?
Yeah.
I kind of like yanked it. I'm not gonna lie, but it cracked. As you can see right there.
Let me take a look at this. I got you. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I can see it's broken right here. So we can definitely repair you. We got you. We could possibly do that for you for 100. So what we do is we'll get your information right here.
Yes, sir.
I'll input it on the computer, and you can just drop it off, and we'll give you a call when it's repaired. Is that cool?
Yes, sir. All right.
Oh
Thank you,
man,
man.
yeah, have a good one.
Day.
Yeah, your device is ready. Okay, I send the digital receipt. Okay?
Okay.
And we give you 30 days warranty. So if any problem in the HDMI, so bring it back anytime. We're gonna replace it for you for free.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
All right, bro.
Thank you, bro. You have a good night.
You too.